So I have in this question, like what this question is saying that in your laboratory you trace the path of the light ray through a glass slab or different value of incidence, and in each case you will measure the angle of refraction. Angle of emergence is E. On the basis of your observation, what is your conclusion? Okay. Now some options are given. Like before understanding all the options, let us understand the basic concept of refraction through a glass slab. Now, as you can see that in this case, I is the angle of incidence. That is the angle made from the normal. You can check. This is the angle of this is normal. This is normal. This is refracted ray. Clear? This is emergent ray. This D is a lateral displacement. R is the angle of refraction. E is the angle of emergence. Now you can see that this angle R is less than the angle of incidence. There's a concept. And angle, this angle and this angle is equal. Angle of incidence I is equal to angle of emergence, and this is valid only when this face is parallel to this face. So this concept already I have discussed, but still I want to tell, like, since light ray is going from rarer to denser medium, rarer to denser medium, so it will bend towards normal. So this is angle of incidence. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is angle of incidence. This angle of refraction is less than I. You can check. This is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. So angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. Why? Because light is going to bend towards normal. Okay, because of refraction. So angle I is more than angle R but nearly equal to angle E. That is correct. Option A. Rest of the options is not correct. Nearly. Okay. Nearly. Okay. Angle I is less than uh, R. That is wrong. That is also wrong. That is also option A is correct. Clear? Thank you so much. I think this doubt is clear too.